two things. Thank you so much to everyone who subscribed to my channel and liked my last vlog. I was not expecting so many people to appear out of nowhere, but thank you. I'm really happy. Another thing, I'm sorry, I'm in my pajamas. It's like an off day for me, so it's a cozy day inside, okay? Second thing, third thing actually, if you're not aware, here in Portugal, at least in our universities, if you know like Harry Potter, which I'm pretty sure you do, they wear those really large capes. And that basically story and idea came from when J.K. Rowling was here in Portugal, and she saw like the students in Porto, wearing these capes. So we have these. It's like I still have these on. Shit, I need to take it off. But we have this tradition. It's like our academic uniform, and we have this large cape, which is made out of wool, and we use them during. I mean, mine is not made out of wool. It's actually polyester, but traditionally, it's made out of wool, and it was used to keep us warm. And also, we have a tradition where on the inside we put damn, this is so big. I'm still not used to it, but on the inside of the cape we put our emblems. So for my birthday, my parents actually got me this academic like clothing. I don't know how do you say traje. How do you say traje? I don't recall how you say traje. But they got me the fit, and it's a little bit expensive. That's why I haven't had it since my first year. But since I'm going to be doing my master's, I'm going to be using for my last semester of my bachelor's, and going to be using it throughout my master's. So I got a few patches, and since I'm from Lisbon, technically I'm studying in Lisbon, I need to have a way of putting our patches. So I feel like this tradition is really cute, so I'm going to be explaining it to you. It really depends on the university. If you're from Porto, you'll probably put the patches in different ways, but at least in Lisbon, normally the tradition is you put on the first emblem. I don't have all of them. I still need to get the rest of them, but I'm going to be doing it next week when I go to uni and buy the rest of the patches I'm missing. But you put like your country flag, you put the European Union flag under that one, then you put the place where you're studying. So you would put like one of these patches which is like the city emblems. You would put the Lisbon one. This is not the Lisbon one, this is the one from my city, but there you go. You would put I'm not sure if you can see that, but I hope you do. You would put so it would be like something like this. You put the Lisbon one, you would put your course. In my case it's translation, so I have my little translation one. You would put it here, and then you would put like your university, and I'm studying it at a Lisbon University, a public one, so I would put it here. Below this, you would put then like the city I was born in, which I don't have the patch for that one, and I don't also have the Lisbon one. You would put like your mother's and father's, the city they come from, but not the one they are born in. The one they're born in, it's only like focused on you, so I'm still missing that one, and I'm missing like my mother's patch. And then the rest of the way down, you are going to be putting in lines of 5. So the rest of the lines is whatever you want to be adding. So I got a few cute patches. I have this one saying support public libraries. I think it's really cute, so I would be putting it like this. I have this one, I'm not procrastinating, I'm doing side quests. I also thought it was pretty cute. Want to see my records? And I have this little one from Howl's Moving Castle, which it's one of my favorite Ghibli movies. And that's the ones I have for now. We normally never close this, and we actually don't even use it like this on our shoulders. We would have to do these little turns, and the amount of turns you do, it's focused on like a reason for it. So, for example, each of the years you've been studying at the university, you will do one turn. So in my case, I would do 3 turns for those years. If you don't participate in praxe, you can also use it every day, but if you want to do it like in the academic way, you use them on Thursdays, which is like the student day. So that's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using it every Thursday, and in that way I can use my normal clothes whenever I want and just use this one on other days. I'll probably try to post like I'm not sure if I can use the clothes if I don't have all of the emblems. I also need to check that out. But yeah, I'm going to be using it, and when I do, I'll try to film a little video for you guys to see.